Today we're going to show you how to use ElevenLabs, Midjourney and Hydra to create incredible videos like this.
Welcome, Captain Myra Voss.
Greetings, my friend. What brings you to Mount Olympus today?
So voice design is an amazing feature, and this sounds slightly cliched, but the limit really is your imagination. Jack came up with some absolutely amazing characters for this launch video, and today he's going to show us how he did it. So let's start with voice design.
Yeah, for sure. Voice design is it's almost a miracle. You can really describe anything and create it. One of the things that was popular from the launch was the cowboy video we did. So I thought we'd just have some fun here and walk through what we did. And it's incredibly simple. It can be complex. You can make it complex and get really fine-tuned, but this one was as simple as deep, tough, gravelly, legendary cowboy, southern accent. And then, yeah, with the auto-generate text to preview, that's really useful too. So let's try a little example here.
You know, there's just something about the way the sun sets over the horizon here in the south.
It's really good. And the graveliness, the southern accent sounds perfect. Let's listen to the second one.
It's always good.
You know, there's just something about the way the sun sets over the horizon here in the south.
I love the way it's slurring, and yeah, it's so realistic. And of course, you know, in your prompt, you can go deeper. You can ask for high quality and really bring it to life.
When I've been playing with this, yeah, actually specifying the type of microphone you use as well. So I've sometimes used studio quality mic, or maybe I've gone for like phone microphone to make it sound like a bit more realistic.
Yeah, telephone filters. If you know, there's infinite voices that you can create. And then once you're happy with your voice from voice design, we'll bring it into the TTS playground with V3. We've got our character here, cowboy, and then just for the purpose of the demo, we're going to go the classic line, this town ain't big enough for the both of us. But we can, you know, give it some extra spice by giving it an emotion tag, angry, give it a little bit more flair. So let's see how that sounds.
Hey, this town ain't big enough for the both of us.
I'm actually a little bit intimidated by that voice.
So now we're going to download that clip because we love it. And the next step is visuals. So we're going to head to Midjourney for that.
So which model are you using here?
We're using the latest V7. I love the way it uses colors and the depth of field. There's no right way of doing this. There's so many options out there now. And this is one I think that we really liked in particular was this one. I kind of like how the shadow, it looks menacing, right? But
matches the voice really well.
Yeah, that's another thing you got to cast.
Does he have some blood on his face? He looks like he might have just killed someone.
This is a tough shot right here. This is a tough shot, but it's too zoomed in. And one thing I love about this is we can edit and scale out to whatever we like and just regenerate what is around it, which is quite important when you're putting it to film and lip sync. You don't want it too close, I don't think, especially as the technology is progressing. And I think the prompt that we used for this was shot of a rugged, dirty, evil cowboy in a red desert, piercing eyes, etc. Shot with an Arri Alexa, which is a really good camera used on a lot of films. It pulls from the knowledge and database with that. 8K, bit of film grain. But again, there's no right way of doing this. Everyone's different prompt engineering, but for me, this works.
I'm amazed, it looks like a relatively short prompt actually. It's only maybe 3 lines, and it's nailed it. I think with Midjourney, like a year or two ago, you'd have to have a whole essay to get something of this quality. It's really impressive. The depth of field on this is absolutely incredible. I think this is good to go. Let's animate it.
Good to go. We'll animate it, and of course in Midjourney and other tools as well, you can use this as a character reference, so you can carry on a story with the same character. And then when you bring it into Hydra, once you're happy with your picture, you literally just upload it on the right here, upload your ElevenLabs voice here. Yeah, you can hit go, or you can even prompt your character with certain emotions and gestures, but for the simplicity of the demo, let's just hit go.
Hey, this town ain't big enough for the both of us.
So that whole process took about 10 minutes maximum to get something that sounds amazing, looks amazing, and has been animated. I'm blown away that this is all possible.
Yeah, and the source is always in audio, so go and try out V3 in voice design now.
Maybe we get some outtakes at the end.
Yeah. Hey everyone, I'm Jack from ElevenLabs.
I'm James.
I'm James from down the road.
I'm just James. Hi, I'm Jack.
We've got so much chemistry.
Oh my
Everything. Yeah, not bad for 5 minutes work.